In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Tiltify campaign donations into your stream using StreamElements and your preferred streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs. This process will help you display real-time updates of your fundraising efforts, enhancing viewer engagement and promoting transparency during your streams. First, let's get started by diving into Tiltify. If you don't already have a Tiltify account, you'll want to sign up or log in. If you do, head over to tiltify.com, and once you're in, you'll either start a new fundraising campaign or locate an existing one you've already set up. A Tiltify campaign allows you to leverage your online presence for good causes, so it's an excellent way to inspire philanthropy among your viewers. Now, here comes an important step. After you've accessed your campaign, make sure to copy the campaign URL. This link is crucial for integrating your campaign with other tools later on, allowing the magic of charity to unfold on your stream. Next up is incorporating this campaign into your streaming overlay using Tiltify's overlay widgets. While StreamElements doesn't offer native integration with Tiltify just yet, worry not, we can add Tiltify widgets manually. This step is key to visually showcasing your fundraising efforts to your audience. Navigate to your Tiltify dashboard, open your campaign, and find the Overlays or Widgets section. Here, you have a few choices such as a donation goal widget, recent donations tab, or a total raised tally. Once you pick the widget that best suits your needs, copy the widget URL. This widget acts as the digital bridge between your fundraising platform and your broadcast, effortlessly updating your audience with real-time data. Now let's set this up in StreamElements. Access StreamElements through StreamElements.com and either open an existing overlay or create a new one to customize your stream layout. In the overlay editor, click Add Widget, proceed with static, custom, and opt for the web page option. This step is where it all comes together. Paste the Tiltify widget URL you previously copied. You can then resize and reposition this widget anywhere on your screen layout that feels right. With this configured, your stream is ready to show live updates of donation progress directly from Tiltify, letting your audience see their contributions in action. This not only keeps them informed, but also encourages more engagement and donations as the campaign unfolds. By following these steps, you'll have an engaging and transparent display of your Tiltify campaign on your stream, all set to inspire generosity among your audience as they watch the progress live. Happy streaming, and here's to successful and impactful fundraising.